How to enable and use VR and YouTube. The first things first, before doing this process, make sure that you already linked or connected your VR equipment to your device. It's gonna be either Bluetooth or a certain app for you to be able to connect your VR equipment to your phone. Now, once you have fully connected it, just simply access your YouTube application and look for any VR videos applicable for those uploads. So for example, this one right here. So for you to be able to have full access with your VR videos, all you have to do is to enlarge the YouTube video. Tap the screen and tap this icon right here, and you are able to activate or enable your VR equipment from YouTube videos. Take note that not all the videos is applicable for VR mode. So all you have to do is just to tap any videos and you should be able to see this icon right here, left side of the full screen mode. So that's it. That's how you use and enable VR and YouTube.